Okay, this was just an empty box that I had on my hive as I was feeding them. This was a new package. So I'm not going to feed them anymore. I'm actually going to put the honey super I had removed with the escape screen onto this hive. And I'm going to use a queen excluder because I have plenty of drawn out comb in the super I'm putting on. And also I only want one brood box for this hive. Okay. And that's all. If you're looking to remove a honey super without using added chemicals, I just wanted to suggest our escape screen, and I'll show you how to use it. First, you'll take off the honey super that you're trying to remove. Then you'll put the inner cover on. Then you'll take your escape screen pointing down, so you want that triangle to face down on top of the inner cover, just like this. And this is so the bees can get down but not be able to get back up. Now eventually they can find a way back up into that honey super, so it's recommended to not leave on more than 24 hours. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my honey super on. It's heavy. And now I'm gonna put my telescoping cover on. So as I said, this will give the chance for the bees to go down into that next box and eventually mostly clear this honey super when you come back to check, whether it be a few hours, 24 hours. If there are still remaining bees, you can always use your bee brush to remove them.